Hi, this is Tom Rose, Public Works Director for the town of Smyrna. I wanted to give you a quick update on a few of our ongoing and upcoming road projects around town. Work is underway on the Rock Springs Road sidewalk project. Crews are installing sidewalks from Harts Branch Bridge to Mason Tucker. This is phase one of a larger effort to connect downtown sidewalks to Old Nashville Highway, improving walkability and connectivity across our community. The town of Smyrna also evaluated accident history and turning movement conflicts near the south side of the intersection of Old Nashville Highway and Rock Springs Road. Based on this evaluation and to improve safe turning movements in this area, vertical delineators have been installed to help decrease turning movement conflicts. This safety project will bring safer turning movements to this key intersection. At Sam Ridley Pkwy and Old Nashville Highway, crews are addressing utility conflicts in the northwest slip lane. That lane will be closed during the day for several weeks. Starting Friday, February 27th, 2026, a portion of Old Nashville Highway between Genie Lane and Sam Ridley Pkwy will be closed between the hours of 8:30 a.m. and 2 p.m. It will remain open outside those hours and during the weekend. Please follow the posted detour plan and allow extra time for travel in that area. Installation of flashing yellow turn arrows is underway along Almaville Road, Rock Springs Road, Enon Springs Road, and Weekly Lane, helping improve traffic flow while maintaining safety. For the latest information on these and other projects, visit townofsmyrna.org and head to the projects page where you'll find our interactive project map with all the current details. Feel free to reach out to the Public Works Department if you have any questions. Stay safe out there.